This time I'm going to show you how to make a double loop above the bead. Now you would use that if you wanted to hang your little component from maybe a really fine wire like your tiger tail or something, and you didn't want it to come off. So I'll just show you how to do it. It's actually quite easy, and I think they're fun. Now this time I'm going to cut the wire. I'm not going to bend it. I'm going to cut the wire about that far, and that's probably, you know, a finger width, or I don't know, half an inch or so. And I'm going to just cut it straight above the bead like that, and then I'm going to just come in and start my little loop like we always do with my hands upside down. I can support it along my finger and start my first roll, and see I've got my first roll, but it's way up here. And this is the bit that I like the best. And just keep rolling, roll and roll and roll, until finally you've got a little double loop there on top of your bead. Now if you want to, you can just come in and tidy it up a little bit, but that way you can thread that on very easily and it's never going to come off.